Hey, welcome back everyone. We got another hard reset for you today. Today we are doing the TCL K24. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming down. So if you want to see anything specific, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, let's get right into this. So what you want to do is make sure the phone is turned off. When the phone's off, what you want to hold is you have your volume up, volume down, and power. You want to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'll start by holding volume up first, then I'll hold power. And then when the phone turns on, you can let go of power. Just keep holding volume up. And this can sometimes take a second to load. There we go. So we are in our recovery and we want to use the volume buttons to scroll. The volume buttons will scroll and the power button to select. So we will scroll to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button to confirm, then confirm again. And now it's deleting, now it's done. And now you can either reboot or power it off, and we'll just power it off in this case. Boom. And that is how you do a hard reset on a TCL K24. If you guys have any comments or questions, just like I said, feel free to let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.